Cold air can strip moisture from strands and pores, making hair rough and skin itchy and dry. Here is a mask that does wonders to your hair and skin. So let's first get started with the hair mask. For the mask, you will be soaking about 2 big tablespoons of fenugreek seed, also called as methi seeds, in water for about 5 to 6 hours. This lets the seeds to get softened and it is easy for you to blend it into a very fine paste. Once you have prepared the fenugreek paste, take about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek paste in a bowl. To this, you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of curd and then you're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of mustard oil to it. To this, you're gonna add 1 big teaspoon of aloe vera powder. If you don't have aloe vera powder, you can use the fresh aloe vera gel. I have this one, it's 100% natural, so I am using this. And then you're going to nicely mix it. Make sure your hair is not free before you apply the mask, concentrating on the scalp first and then massaging it gently. Once you're done massaging the scalp, you can add this mask onto the lengths of the hair. After applying the mask, you can wrap your hair into a bun. You can use the back of the spoon to cover your hair with this mask. Leave the mask on for about 40 to 45 minutes or as long as you can, and then wash it off with water. This is how my hair looked. It was super hydrated and soft. Let's move on to the face mask. For this, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek paste. To this, you're gonna add the aloe vera powder. You can substitute it with the gel, and then 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix it all well. And then apply it on your face. Make sure your face is clean before you do this. This mask helps in achieving moisturized skin and helps in acne related problems if you have any. Keep the mask on for 25 to 30 minutes till it gets nicely dried up, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. I hope you liked this video and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.